Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, the Token Trackers, and in this video we are in the Ruby project and we're quickly going to be discussing about the KYC and the latest update regarding to the Ruby KYC. But before we go into that, if you are new to my YouTube channel or if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new video. So first of all, make sure that you are coming over here every single day to make sure that you mining is very important. Over here you can see that this is the previous mining. I've been mining using Nigeria, so they say available mines. These are the other available mines I'm going to you can have access to. Let me use Lagos because well, it's just my personal choice. Make sure that you agree on this right now. So a lot of people are not actually mining their Ruby. A lot of people have stopped mining, and that is why if you look right here, you see that I have a total referral of 157, but out of it only 42 are mining. That is very poor, guys. Very poor. And when the listing is closed by now, everybody will run and come and start mining. Or at the end of the day, they will see the project gave them those and this, that. Please, first of all, mine. Make sure that you are mining. It's very important. Mine. Make sure that you are mining. And then also come over to this section right here. Click on it. You see this page called My Information. This particular one, My Information. It is very important that you go and do this. Click on it, go and edit those information, put your country, put your phone number, put each and every, fill in those gaps. The reason is this: it has a lot to play when it comes to your KYC invitation. And in the next few weeks, Ruby is cooking up something. They are planning to roll out a lot of KYC, which means that a lot of people will be able to do their KYC. And let me tell you, this particular information page is very important. Why? If you fill, one of the criteria for the KYC is that you need to fill that page, and for you to fill that page, once you fill that page, it is going to take you a period of 30 days before you will be able, before it will be counted, and it will be considered on your Ruby KYC requirement. So you need to mine Ruby for 30 days consecutively after you have filled this My Information before you will be receiving the Ruby KYC. So it's better that you go and do it now. Once you fill it, make sure that you mine consecutively for 30 days. Mine without stopping for 30 days. It is going to be considered and counted as a requirement for your KYC invitation. And then also be coming over here, you know, like I mentioned, in the next few weeks or in the next 1 month, Ruby is going to roll out KYC. If you look right here, mine has not also been, I've not also received the KYC right here. And the reason is that they are currently running on this KYC 1.5, and it's actually slow because it's about to phase out. The multiple KYC rollout that I'm talking about that they want to release now is KYC 1.6. Is KYC 1.6, and it is going to be very fast because there are going to be a lot of validators. There are a lot of people that are going to be validating people that are applying for their KYC. It's not going to be as slow as this KYC 1.5. So it is very important that you position for this, and then be ready when it is time for KYC. So look at what I say: complete ownership information. Ownership information is that My Information page I just told you. These are the requirements for the KYC right here. And then you need to mine at least 30 Ruby, explore 30 rubies. That it means mine 30, minimum of 30 rubies. Once you have passed those two criteria, you can now receive the KYC invitation. So these two criteria are very important. Make sure that you meet them up before the next 1 month or 2 months. So it is very important. So that's the information I wanted to quickly share with you in this particular video. Make sure that you do that, and then also remember to be mining. It's very important. I feel bad for this number of people that are here, over 100 people that are not mining. I feel bad for them. I feel bad for you. Well, that's it. You can see I'm still cooking. Mine is still small and I'm still hungry for more. That is why I'm mining every day, and I'll continue to mine every day. So that will be all for now. And please, before I go, if you're new to my YouTube channel or if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscription button so that you always get notified whenever I drop new videos on my channel. So that will be all for now. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.